Hello, I'm Gavin Townsend from GT Personal Training. You can follow me at gavintownsend.com or gtpt.co.uk. I'm just going to demonstrate some nice, easy oblique exercises. You've got an arrangement of obliques going down both sides of the body next to the main abdomen range, which is the abdominis region. The rectus abdominis region ranges from here down to here. You've got your TVAs, your transverse abdominis, but like I say, you've got your obliques either side crossing down. It's these little diamond shapes here in amongst the rib cage. So to really get these emphasised and worked, well, obviously do a bit of a warm-up first of all, but here's just some simple exercises to do from home. So just normal side plank, quite simple exercise, but does really start to burn up around here after a period. So work up to a 7 out of 10, 10 being excruciating, can't do any more, 5 being average. So aim for a 7, hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then repeat to the other side. So then roll over, other side here, really get underneath there and fire off those muscles. So that's one exercise for beginners, intermediates. More an advanced one, you can drop the hips down to the floor and then back up. Do a number of repetitions each side. Probably go for about 10 to 15 to really get this side working. And obviously, once you've done the one side, flip over and do the other. So, you might have been bored about these two exercises, you might have used them for a while. Let's make it a bit harder. So, you can do a star plank, hold that there. Really putting some pressure on now on the obliques. This is really aimed towards an advanced exerciser. Hold that there for a period. If you want to work the other side now, flip over and change. Make it a bit harder now. Let's do up and down with a star. That's it. Changing over, other side. You probably want to go for about 4 to 8 repetitions on this. So that's quite an easy exercise. If you've got any more questions on these sort of exercises, please don't hesitate to email me at gavin@gtpt.co.uk. Thank you.